see here, I made a mistake in interpreting this question. What was asked is, find the area between the line, find the area enclosed by the line. What line is this? Y equal to minus, y equal to, what line was this? Can someone tell me? 2y plus 4x equal to 10, 2x plus 4y equal to 10, I guess. Right? What line was this? Yeah. 2x plus 4y equal to 10. Then they had asked you to find the area between 2x plus 4y equal to 10, uh, y equal to 2, y equal to 4, and the y-axis. So it should have been this area. In that case, the question itself would have been wrong, because here it is difficult to find this particular area. You'll have to find this area and subtract this triangle, but that is not possible because this extends till infinity. Are you following it? What I interpreted was, I had taken uh, the line 2x plus 4y equal to 10. I took y equal to 2 separate, and I took y-axis. This as one area, and I took this as another area. That is this line, and y-axis. So I took two different areas. The question in that case would have been, find the area enclosed by the line 2x plus 4y equal to 10, y-axis, and the line y equal to 2, and also the area enclosed by the line 2x plus 4y equal to 10, y equal to 4, and the y-axis. Had that been the question, then the area that we found is correct. But here it is not the area enclosed between the line, the the line y equal to 2, this line, and the y-axis. It is the area enclosed by y-axis, this line, and this line. So that means this is the area that they are speaking about. So in that case, the question would have been wrong. Followed? So the question would have been wrong in that case. So in question number 6, should have been, find area bounded by curve 2x plus 4y equal to 10 and y-axis and y equal to 2 and the curve 2x plus 4y equal to 10, y-axis and y equal to 4. This would have been two separate questions. Then what we did is correct. This should have been the question. But they have said, find the area between this line, and these two lines. In that case, the question would be wrong. Followed? So therefore, question 6 should have been this. Similarly, when I consider question number 7, I made one mistake here. That is, the question is, find the area bound by this line y equal to minus 4x, the y-axis, y equal to minus 4x, the y-axis, and the lines this and this. So it would have been either this particular area or this particular area if they don't mention which quadrant it is. It would have been wrong. What we should have done is, the question should have been, for 7th one, the question should have been, find area bounded by y equal to minus 4x, then x-axis and x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. This should have been the question. Last evening you had asked me how to identify this region. y equal to minus 4x, this line, this line. So this would have been the region and this would have been the region. I made a mistake there. We should have considered this, the x-axis and these two lines. So these are two regions. It should have been x-axis, not y-axis. Now, if I say it as x-axis, how do you find the area? It would be area equal to area would be this area plus this area. So A1 plus A2. What is A1 here? A1 is this curve. So I'll write here curve and x-axis. I'll write here dx and I'll write y here. Between now this point, y equal to minus 4x. So minus 1 and this would be minus 1 comma 4 and this would be 2 and minus 8. So this would be between this line, that is x equal to 0, and this line which is x equal to minus 1 plus this line, that is x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 y dx, but this would be within mod. Now in that case, what is y dx? It would be 0 to minus 1. This would be minus 4x dx plus this would be minus 4x dx between 0 and 2. 0 to 2, this would be minus 4x dx. So this would give you minus of 4x square by 2. You get minus 2x square here, 0 and 1, minus 1, and here plus, oh sorry, I should take minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, and here I would get minus 4x square by 2 between 0 and 2. Now this would be minus 2x square. So when I put 0 over here, it would become 0, and then here 0 minus 2x square. So minus 2 into minus 1 square. So that would be 1 itself. Now put this also within the mod. Actually, this shouldn't have been within the mod, but here if you get the answer as negative, put that within the mod. This is 0 minus 2. So plus this would be minus 4x square by 2. That is minus 2x square. So this would be minus 2x cube by 3 and between 0 and 2. Now when I put the values here, I'll get minus 2, that is 2 plus here.
Why we integrated again?
What?
Why we integrated that again, minus 4x square upon 2?
Oh, sorry. This should be minus 2x square. So this should be minus 2 into 4 minus 0. So this would be 2 plus 8 and this would be 10 square units. So these are two questions which have been wrongly given in the board sheet. It should have been question 6 should have been this and question 7 should have been this. So just take a pick of the same. I'll move on to the next topic. That is differential equation. I hope everyone has taken a pick.